Okay, you guys, for real, like I have a mess going on, but I'm so excited. So you all know I'm a eyelash junkie, right? I mean, it's pretty dang obvious. I'm an eyelash junkie. See, I've done the extensions, and I did training in extensions, and I loved the extensions. One, I didn't fulfill my bringing on the extension onto service because I didn't have the room in my studio to do it. And so I have the training and stuff, I just don't. And I've, done a couple pair, but for my time and the money, it just wasn't my jam. But I've had eyelash extensions. I know lots of people who have. And then I loved them, but I just didn't have the time or the money, to be honest with you, to keep getting them filled. And I was the type that, like, they were bomb for a little bit, and then all of a sudden it was like, wah, 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 needed a fill, and I had no time to either get a fill or they were booked up or whatever. Plus, we all know what it costs. So, with eyelash extensions, and then when I started losing my hair and stuff, I lost some of my eyelashes. Now, I was fortunate, I kept a lot of them, but they were very thin, so the extensions weren't like the best bet for me. So I went to glue-on ones, which is what I've been doing for, I don't know, the last almost year. And I love them, I have them on right now. But then Laura introduced me to these magnetic ones, and at first, I even had a couple clients ask me about them. I was like, I don't know, it's magnets, I'm not so sure about that. And everybody who knows me knows that I'm very honest. So I said, I don't know, I'm not so sure about something about the magnetic thing, kind of like, I don't know. It didn't seem intriguing to me. And then Laura Hook was like, check out this brand, check out these lashes. She showed me her lashes, and I was like, oh snap, like I need to try that. And then, ta-da. So these are coming into the salon. I have a website that you can either order directly from, and then they're free shipping, or you can get a hold of me, and I will have some in stock. I have just a few in stock, or will. I have a couple here, and then I have a few more coming. I think like 4 more coming. So I'll have some in stock, but not all. But the link below, or the website link, you can order. It's free shipping. But I'm super excited. So I wanted to tell you what came in my affiliate kit. Affiliate kit is that special thing that's going on right now. You guys all know me. I'm not a pusher. I say what I think. I say what I like. There's lots of things I don't like that people do. There's lots of things I like that people don't. And that's just the way it is. I'm not a sales pusher, but this affiliate kit right now is on sale, or you can become an affiliate for $27. 27 bucks for real. And you make your money back very quickly by selling lashes. So just giving you a heads up. But I do it because my clients always ask me about it. And so I'm going to bring it on. And if they want to become an affiliate to get the perks, so be it. If they just want to get them from me, so be it. If they want to order them with free shipping, so be it. You guys know how I am. I'm very honest. Got questions? Mark them below. But here is the box. I opened it once. I didn't even dig through it because I'm like, crap, I need to make this video. Dun, dun, dun. Ooh, that's pretty. I love red. I don't know why. I just started liking red. I love red lipstick. I've always loved red lipstick. But red and gold, that's pretty. Snap. Okay, what do we got going on here? So shake it off. Here's the makeup remover to remove the liner. You guys want to do this with me or no? You don't have to, I guess. I left the knife over there. Shoot. Here's a little trick about me. Secret about me is I don't like knives. I need to start carrying a pocket knife because I need them a lot, but I don't know, something about the blade. And I cut with the sharpest scissors you could possibly imagine, and razors, and for some reason knives freak me out. I'm so weird. This is probably why my life's the way it is. I'm freaking weird. So, shake it off makeup remover. There's that. Like it was separated and I mixed it up. Then we have magnetic. This must be the applicator. So I don't know if I would use this applicator just because I'm a tweezers person And sorry, I have a get back delt. See what happens? So I have a cat and I have cats, but this cat's name is Delta, and he knows he's not allowed on the counter, so he does this crap when he thinks he can get away with it. I'm not kidding, he's ornery. When he thinks he can get away with it, he tries it. Guys, I'm having a hot mess here, what the heck? Probably because I'm frazzled. I'm supposed to be doing my taxes right now. And studying. I'm excited to study. It's the taxes I told myself I had to do first. Oh, well, these are cool. That's how you hold them. That's pretty cool. The ones I have are very similar to this, but thinner and metal. So that's pretty cool. Come with their own applicator. Check it out. Laura, if you're watching this, let me know. Add anything you need. Ooh, I also have a video to post of Laura doing eyelashes because hers are the bomb. Bomb diggity. Guys, seriously, I have a flipping mess. Mess, I tell ya. Are you guys so glad you watched this with me? And then we have the magnetic eyeliner. I'm a black, like I like black. So I ordered their black. Oh, this is gonna be fun. See that? Excited. What is this? I did not know that this came in the affiliate kit. What? Say what? I mean, really. It's brows. We all know how I Sharpie those bad boys on. Oh, you guys, they even have stencils. Oh, are you kidding me? I wonder if I'm even close. Oh, that's not too bad. What's this one? The Pixie? That's a little, holy crap, that would take up my whole face. So then, you know, you'd flip them. Like for each side, you know. These are stuck together. Okay, take that back, it's one. I'm pretty close to those. Besides the Pixie, that's like ginormous. But I have a small head, so I don't know if there's a saying that goes along with small head. It comes with a really, really cute case. See that cute case? Ooh, this could be fun, just this brush in general. That's my jam. Now this, it's black. I might have should have went dark brown, but we'll play. We'll see what happens. I ain't scared. I probably should be, but I'm not. Oh, and here's my lash picks. Ooh, these anchors are cute. Yes, magnetic anchors. I'm telling you that they're cute. Don't ask. I'm weird. So these are Ladies' Night Out, which I like. And these are Selfie, which is kind of my jam too. Any of the other affiliates that are on my page, do any of you trim them down? Like, can we trim these down? Can we make them like smaller, or are they legit? Let me know. Okay, peeps, I'm excited. Thought I'd share with you. Happy Friday.